Hey everybody, the Glamp Man here, coming to you today from a secret, undisclosed location where we're going to discuss a very important topic concerning your Glamp ground. Now, can anyone guess where I am right now? Because if you can, then you'll know what today's topic is going to be about. But if you can't guess, that's okay, because I'm just going to tell you. I am in one of the porta potties that I provide my guests for the bathroom needs. Now, this is, of course, a very important thing that you need to figure out when you're going to start your Glamp site. Now, porta potties are a great option, and I'll tell you a bit more about the benefits of having a porta potty. Just know it is a little bit more expensive than some of the other options. It's not the option that I started with initially. I'm going to show you that and a few other things that you can do, especially in the beginning, before maybe leading up to such an investment as a porta potty. So, without further ado, let's go. So when I first started out, it was a simple do-it-yourself, homemade toilet bowl box, let's call it. So it was very inexpensive to make, just some pieces of plywood, get a toilet seat from any big box retail store, and cut a hole in the top, and there you go. Now you may ask, where do I put something like this? Well, there's a couple options. I've seen you can buy, it's almost like a little tent, changing room sized thing that people buy. Sometimes it's for putting the outdoor shower, or you can put your toilet facility right inside of that. So that's an option. My first cabin was not far from my house, and I have a very large deck with like storage areas under the deck where I can store like tools and my tractor and such. So I actually just converted one of those little rooms into the bathroom facility where this was set up, and it looked really nice. It worked for probably the first 3 months or so before I decided I was going to invest in my next bathroom option, which was, in my case, the porta potty. But there's still one other option you can do before getting to the porta potty, and I'll show you that right now. The next option I can recommend is something that's a lot cleaner, a lot easier to use, something you don't have to build. You can buy something like this in, again, your local big box Home Depot type retail store or on Amazon. And it is what it is. It is a little plastic toilet seat that you can place just about anywhere. It's made out of plastic, it's very lightweight, it's sturdy, and it's easy to clean, unlike the issues you may have with the wooden box version like I showed you just before. And there's a couple different ways you can use it. It has a little bucket inside with even a lid. So they can do their business in here, they can put the lid on it, you can easily dispose of it. That's one way you use this. The other way is you can buy these eco-friendly, disposable, one-time use poo-poo bags. And you simply place one of the bags inside, people do their business, and then at the end you can just tie it up and put this in the forest or someplace it can, decompose. It's made to do that. Now here we are. This is the mother, the granddaddy, the godfather of all outdoor, off-grid bathroom options. I present to you the porta potty. This is what I've been using since I got past my first 3 months in business. It's a great option because it's a very hands-off way of going about it. I have mine serviced once a week. The guys come, they pump it out, they clean it up, they put new toilet paper. It's made of plastic, so again, it's easy to clean if it ever needs to be cleaned or wiped down, disinfected. And it holds up very well against all of the elements. It's a little bit more comfortable. You don't have to worry about if it's raining out, snowing, windy, cold. It's a little shelter. So let me give you a little quick tour. The porta potty. So just a little bit about pricing. If you're going to go with a little portable plastic guy like this that you could get in your Home Depot or on Amazon, this guy's going to cost you between, say, $65 and $75. If you're going the route of the porta potty, I'm up here in the Northeast in New York, upstate New York. I'm paying about $125 per month, and that includes a clean out once per week.